Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to turn on or off Bluetooth on Chromebook. All you have to do is go down to the bottom right hand corner, right where you see the time. You're going to tap right there. Then you're going to tap on the settings cog. After opening settings, you're going to select network from the menu option on the left hand corner. Or you can select Bluetooth as you'll see right here. Then you can simply toggle it on, and then you'll tap on pair new device right below Bluetooth, and you can see it is searching for any Bluetooth device that is available. And to turn it off, all you have to do is simply tap on it again to toggle it off. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to turn on or off Bluetooth on Chromebook.